property, Mr.
Kaninong
Chair.
property yun?
But
Kaninong property? Kaninong property?
I develop it, Mr. Chair.
You develop it. Why did you develop it? Para kanino?
During that time, Mr. Chair,
Kanino? Para kanino mo dinevelop yung bahay na yon?
nung una po, detachment po kasi yun, Mr. Chair.
Detachment ng ano?
Ng mobile force po when I was
Mobile
the city
force
director. When I was the city director of Cebu.
And what is your connection with the mobile force kung bakit kailangan mo i-develop yung bahay na yon? It's a mansion. Meron siyang mga glass.
It's
Ha?
not a mansion, Mr.
It's
Chair.
a-
There used to be a structure,
Okay.
Mr. Chair, which I just improve it.
GM Garma, kasama niyo pa yung anak niyo dyan sa loob? Nakakasama niyo pa ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair, salamat po.
Okay, so okay naman yung kanyang kapansanan. Ano ba siya? Medyo ano siya ngayon?
May diagnosed with dyslexia, ADHD, and may bipolar with
Okay.
depression po, Mr. Chair.
So yun yung mga karamdaman na na-diagnose sa kanya.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. During the time that you were the GM of PCSO, do you remember that you have appointed several members of your family?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
How many? Seven, 8, 9, or 10?
Mr. Chair, referring to the appointment po na hired sa PCSO and paid by PCSO.
Whatever,
yeah,
position, appointed as secretary, or
More or less
whatever.
5. I'm sure more than 5, Mr. Chair.
Seven.
Yeah.
And one of those is your daughter. Am I correct? You appointed her as confidential agent. Yes or no?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
You appointed your daughter who is sick as a confidential agent. And do you know the meaning of a confidential agent?
Yes,
Why did you
Mr.
appoint
Chair.
your daughter if she's sick?
Mr. Chair, during that time, ang diagnosis lang po sa kanya is dyslexia.
Yeah, you told us.
That is actually,
And what's the reason why you appointed
hindi
her?
naman po ibig sabihin mentally, ano po ang dyslexia. Lumabas lang po yung bipolar niya after I left PCSO.
Okay. Do you know the qualifications of confidential agent?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
What
there
are the
must be
qualifications
trust.
of confidential agent? Tell me.
Someone you could trust on matters.
I will tell you the qualification of a confidential agent. 1, a bachelor's degree in criminal justice. 2, may experience siya. Previous experience in law enforcement. Meron ba siyang experience sa law enforcement? Your daughter?
I'm not aware of that.
You're not aware. You're together with her for 23 years. Hindi ka aware kung
No.
meron siyang experience sa law enforcement? Meron ba siya? Wala o meron? Wala.
None, Mr.
Oh,
Chair.
correct. Anong skill niya? Yung analytical skill niya. Ability to analyze information in order to be a confidential agent.
She's very competent in report writing, Mr. Chair, in editing communications.
Generate. Sige. Okay. So, basically, she's sick, but you appointed her as a confidential agent.
Mr. Chair, if I may.
Yeah, go ahead.
Dyslexia is not a disease. It is a learning disorder, but she was able to overcome it, Mr. Chair, and continues po yung therapy niya during that time. She's very brilliant in communication. In fact, she writes articles in their school po siyang gumagawa during that time nang nasa high school po siya, Mr. Chair.
Pero may experience ba siya bilang law enforcement as confidential
I
agent?
don't feel naman po na
Those are the qualifications that are written for the confidential agent. Okay. How about Marie Luis Sejorales? Yung first cousin mo.
yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. She was also in PCSO, correct?
Yes,
Anong
Mr.
position ang
Chair.
lagay mo sa kanya?
I think she was appointed as a nurse, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So siya rin ang lagay mong in charge sa mga pagkain doon, correct?
No, Mr. Chair.
Hindi mo siya nilagay?
No, sir.
I will be asking the... can we ask the official of the PCSO to be in here? Si attorney... yes, also si AGM Gabuyo, si attorney Insyong, yung HR manager natin, si attorney Paquera, and all other PCSO official who are invited. Si Doris Garma, yung sister-in-law mo, ano naging position niya doon sa yung asawa ni Chuck Garma? Ano naging position niya sa PCSO?
Sa admin po siya.
Sa admin.
Nailagay ko po siya sa
Okay.
admin po, Mr.
Si Howard
Chair.
Mansan, yung first cousin sa mother side, saan mo nilagay?
Consultant po sa IT, Mr. Chair.
We have invited also Howard Mansan. Andito ba si Howard Mansan? Can we ask him to be present in here as well? Very important tong si Howard Mansan. Ha? Consultant siya ng IT. Mother side, first cousin ni GM Garma. And si, yung asawa ni Howard Mansan, did you appoint her?
She's my private secretary,
Correct.
Mr.
Si
Chair.
Irene Mansan.
Yes.
So she was also present or appointed as an official of the PCSO. How about yung asawa ng first cousin mo na si Emmy Ubales?
Yes, Mr. Chair. I
She was also
hired her.
appointed?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. And how about Junjun Ubales?
He was
Nakadetail
detailed
sa
to
iyo.
be a security, Mr.
Si Junjun
Chair.
Obales ay ang first cousin mo who was detailed sa PCSO.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. So how many, how about andyan ba si Emmy Ubales? We have invited her as well, Mr. Chair, to be a part of this hearing. Andyan ba? GM Garma, don't you think it's quite unethical for a general manager to put all mga cousins, daughter, in-laws
Mr.
as
Chair.
part of your circle in the PCSO?
Mr. Chair, the positions that were given to them, ang requirement lang po is trust and confidence, Mr. Chair. Just like
Okay.
anybody in appointed, Mr. Chair.
How about si Igel? Did you appoint him as
Igel?
legal researcher, Awakay?
Argel.
Siya namamahala
There
ng...
was we posted the vacancy, Mr. Chair. I think she applied and she was qualified as a researcher, Mr. Chair. She was hired.
Okay,
After
HR. Gusto ko lang malaman sa HR. Si Cynthia Kiboloy Regudo. Ma'am. Can you kindly sit here?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Siya ba na-appoint si Igel Awakay? Siya nag-handle ng STL Core Group, correct?
Mr. Chair, Igelet Awakay was appointed Technical Assistant A.
Technical assistant.
Yes po, sir.
But what is his position in the operation of the STL Core Group?
With regards to her position sa SCG po, I am not aware of that, Your Honor.
Hindi po kayo aware.
Hindi po, because hindi naman po nanggaling
But
sa HRD
siya ay
po.
technical assistant,
Yes po.
appointed. Why
Yun
not
pong-
si Tony Galileo ang na-appoint bilang legal research? Bakit a certain job order in the position of Igel ang na-appointed?
Ms. Awakay applied for that position, Your Honor, and he was accepted based on merit.
Sige, okay. Because we will be dealing this in the next hearing, you know. I just wanted to abbreviate this issue. But in the next hearing, we will be discussing it as well. Because there are certain issues regarding the feasibility study of all the STL operation in the whole country being manipulated by this person. Iisa ang template nyo. Submit all the templates of all the submission of the STL operation in the whole country. Because if you can see that that was manipulated to favor some winners, then you are in trouble. No, not you, but those who approved that, those winners. Anyway, so, ma'am, si Attorney Paquera, andyan si Attorney Paquera?
Good morning, Mr. Chair. Present.
Nasaan ka? Attorney Paquera. Anong position mo sa panahon ni GM Garma?
I was EA6, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Ikaw COS. Chief of
Yes-
Staff.
Yes, Mr. Chair, but based on the organizational structure of the office, tatlo po yung EA6.
Tatlong EA6.
Yes, in the Office of the General
But
Manager.
during the time that you were in that office, ikaw yung pinaka Chief of Staff. Am I correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So lahat ng mga communication are being translated to you, correct?
All from the receiving section, Mr. Chair, yung communications po, sinasala po yan. Tapos the rest that are not under a specific person, sa akin po, napupunta lahat.
And during that time na nawala ka, ang pumalit sa iyo si Lot Griar.
I have no personal knowledge on that, Mr. Chair.
Kung
After I
siya ang
left,
pinalit. Yes.
I don't have any personal
No.
knowledge.
Lot Griar was detailed doon sa PCSO. But nakikita mo siyang kasama doon sa loob ng opisina.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Si Lot Griar, andito siya. So, during all your time that you were assigned as COS of the PCSO, Lot Griar was always there.
Yes, Mr. Chair. I believe, Mr. Chair, nauna sila sa akin.
Yes.
Because I came in sometime in August already.
O sige, Lot VR, ba't ka nandun sa loob? Anong ginagawa mo sa loob ng opisina? Anong item mo? Anong item mo sa PCSO at ba't nandun ka sa loob ng opisina ng GM?
Magandang umaga, Your Honor. DS po ako kay Ma'am Garma, Your Honor.
Correct.
Naka-duty detail po ako sa kanya.
So hanggang sa loob ng kaloob-looban ng opisina na kung saan nagtatrabaho si GM together with the COS, you're still there inside.
Nasa dulo po ako, Your Honor.
Hindi, sinasabi nga ni nandun ka sa loob eh.
Opo, nandun sa loob, pero yung cubicle ko po, Your Honor, sa pinakadulo.
So in other words, hindi ka nawawala sa tabi ni GM Garma. You're always there.
Sa tabi niya, hindi kami makapasok sa
Are
office.
you assigned outside or inside the perimeter of the PCSO?
Outside ng office ni Ma'am Garma, Your Honor.
Okay, sige. I will show you something, Lot, ikaw rin ang nangungontrata ng mga food packs doon? Ha?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
O sige
Opo.
Be careful on what you're saying. Baka mamaya may mapapakita ko sa iyo. Ma'am Garma, nung nakaraang hearing, we were discussing about the Hilltop property. Di ba? May pinakita ako sa iyong Hilltop property. And you manifested in this hearing that wala kang bahay doon sa Hilltop. Do you remember on November 26 to November 27, 2021, nagkaroon kayo ng team building ng mga female department managers ng PCSO doon sa Hilltop Mansion? Yes or no?
Mr. Chair, it's not...
The yes or no?
Yes,
Yes
Mr.
or
Chair,
no?
there is
Nagkaroon
a
kayo ng team building?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Oh, sabi mo wala kang bahay doon sa So, kaninong bahay yung pinuntahan nyo at nag-team building kayo sa Hilltop Mansion?
If I can explain,
Yes,
Mr.
go
Chair,
ahead.
it's not my property, Mr.
Kaninong
Chair.
property yun?
But
Kaninong property?
the,
Kaninong property?
I develop it, Mr. Chair.
You develop it. Why did you develop it? Para kanino?
During that time, Mr. Chair,
Kanino? Para kanino mo dinevelop yung bahay na yon?
nung una po, detachment po kasi yun, Mr.
Detachment ng ano?
ng Mobile Force po when I was
Mobile
the city
Force
director. When I was the city director of Cebu.
And what is your connection with the mobile force kung bakit kailangan mo i-develop yung bahay na yon? It's a mansion. Meron siyang mga glass.
It's
Ha?
not a mansion, Mr.
It's
Chair. There used to be a structure,
Okay.
Mr. Chair, which I just improve it para po mapakinabangan po, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So,
Excuse me,
Yes, sir.
Congressman Dan Fernandez. I think you were asking questions to both Lot and Attorney Paquera. Have you taken your oath?
Not yet, Mr. Chair.
So please, COMSEC, administer the oath of Attorney Paquera. How about si Miss Lot and Miss Lot, nakapag-oath na ba kayo?
Yes, Your Honor, kanina
Okay,
po.
so please administer the oath of Attorney Paquera, COMSEC.
Ms. Marsan, have you taken your oath?
Miss Regudo po ako, sir.
Have you taken your
Not
oath?
yet, sir.
Please stand.
Those who
And
have not
Attorney
taken their oath, please stand up.
Yes.
Okay,
And please
proceed.
raise your right hand, attorney. Do you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this public inquiry? And do you affirm your statements you gave a little while ago? So help you God. Thank you. The oath has been administered, sir.
Thank you. Please proceed.
okay, GM Garma, sinasabi mo, dinedevelop mo yon, inaayos mo yon. So, kaninong bahay yung dinedevelop mo? Kanino nakapangalan yung bahay na dinedevelop mo?
Mr. Chair, we asked permission po na there was a caretaker during that time and it was not only me ang may mga na-develop dun sa area. There are also other officers. So,
Hindi, ang tanong ko,
umaya lang po ako.
bakit mo siya dinedevelop, yung bahay?
Maganda kasi yung place. And,
So?
And naisip ko rin po na malapit din po sa, may detachment din po doon. And kasi maraming ahas noon during that time doon nung may mga
Sino
police po
gumasos
doon.
ang pagde-develop doon?
Ako po, Mr. Chair.
Ikaw ang gumasos?
Yes, Mr.
Personal
Chair.
mong pera? O pera ng PCSO?
Hindi po, pera ko po, Mr. Dahan-dahan po.
Magkano ang
yun,
nagastos
matagal.
mo doon sa pagpapaayos ng bahay na yon? Sa mansyon, na full of glass.
That's at mansion, Mr. Chair.
Hindi, nakita na namin eh. So, sabihin mo na yung kung
wala.
magkano nagastos mo?
It's less than 1 million, Mr. Chair.
Magkano?
Less than 1 million.
Less than 1 million?
Dahan-dahan.
Oh, sige.
po, Mr.
Department
Chair.
of Department of HR, Attorney Cynthia Regudo. Ma'am, kayong HR. Ma'am, ilan ang pumunta doon sa sa travel order na binigay niyo po noong November 26 to 27? Ilang female department managers ang nag-overnight sa bahay na yon?
Mr. Chair, all of the female
How many?
department managers for Hindi ko po ma-recall. kung ilan
20?
po talaga.
30?
Less than 20, Your
Less
Honor.
than-
Wow. So kung 20 persons ang nandun sa bahay na yon, so paano sasabihin mong 1 million yung ginastos mo sa pag-establish ng bahay na yon?
Can I make a statement?
So,
Mr.
wait a minute. Okay. Attorney Insyong. Attorney Insyong. Attorney Annalisa Insyong.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Yes, nandun po kayo sa bahay ng sa Hilltop. So, siyempre, nandun kayo di ba? So, invited kayo doon dahil meron kayong female department managers tinatawag na team building ng PCSO. So, kanino ang pagkakaalam nyo yung bahay na yun?
I have no idea, Your Honor. We were just invited for dinner.
Wala
in
ho
the
kayo
property.
nababalitaan doon na sinasabi kung sino may-ari ng bahay? Wala ba nagmamalaki kung sino may-ari ng bahay? Ma'am, you're under oath.
Yes, sir. Wala pong kaming mga ibang nakausap kasi we were all just together for the dinner po.
Si Ma'am Agnes Ibera. Andiyan ba si Ma'am Agnes Ibera? Please. Ma'am Agnes Ibera, were you a part of those who stayed at the house of a certain personality at the Hilltop? Andun po kaya?
Good morning, Mr. Chair. Yes, Mr. Chair, I was one of the
And
attendees.
sino ang mga nabalitaan niyo may-ari ng bahay?
Wala pong, hindi po ako nagtanong kung sino ang may-ari at wala rin pong nagbanggit kung sino ang may-ari.
Sino ba
Your
may-ari nun GM Garma ng bahay na yun?
Mr. Chair, I developed it, Mr.
Ha?
I developed it, Mr. Chair.
So sa iyo yun?
Sinabi ko na po kanina po.
Sa iyo?
I developed the area, Mr.
Kaya nga, kung
Chair.
dinevelop mo, sa iyo yun. Kasi may bahay siya natutulog kayo mga 20 nga kayo natulog doon Hindi may bahay, correct?
Hindi po, kwarto yung tinulugan na sa higla.
Hindi
po
nga.
sa lahat, sir.
What did you apply for it? Is it a residential place?
No, it's
yung,
not.
Yung buong lugar na yun, hindi residential? Natulog sila doon? Did you construct a structure?
There is a structure,
Merong
Mr. Chair.
kwarto, may sala, may kitchen.
Yun yung old area which I...
Hindi,
yes,
what
yes,
I'm
Mr.
asking
Chair.
you,
Yes.
correct.
Yes.
The last time I asked you about the Hilltop, sabi mo wala kang bahay doon. Now you are trying to tell us that you develop it and you own it. Di ba?
Mr. Chair, yes.
Okay, so again, stop lying, ma'am. We cannot cite you in contempt anymore, but we can, but okay, ma'am, eto tanong ko ulit sa'yo. Nung ikaw ay PCSO General Manager, nagtayo ba kayo ng STL party list?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Nagtayo ka ng STL party list.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Anong pangalan ng anong ibig sabihin ng STL party list?
Samahan ng totoong larong may puso, Mr. Chair.
Samahan ng totoong larong may puso.
Yes, Mr.
69
Chair.
sa balota. Sige. Naglagay ka ba ng pondo sa STL Foundation na kung saan siya ang sumusuporta sa STL party list na galing sa PCSO?
No, Mr. Chair.
Stop lying. GM Garma, I know that you put money on that foundation.
No, Mr. Chair.
You put money from the PCSO. You put money.
No, Mr.
Stop
Chair.
lying.
I
I will show you something.
I cannot recall, Your Honor.
Sige. Pakita natin yung yung unang pakita natin yung binigay na 2 million. And I will be asking the official of PCSO about the donation that was given by PCSO to the STL Foundation that directly benefited the STL party list. Because sa party list na to ng STL, pinsan mo ang second nominee. Am I correct? Marsan.
Yes,
Hector
yes,
Marsan.
Mr. Chair.
Tama?
Yes po.
And who is the first nominee?
I cannot recall anymore, Mr. Chair. Kasi
Hindi mo alam ang naka-assign sa'yo. Wait.
Okay.
Wait. GM. Sino-sino ang naka-assign sa'yo ng mga police during the time na ikaw ay GM? One is Narsolis, correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Second is Lot Griar, correct?
Yes po.
Third is Jeremy Kausapin, correct?
Yes po.
Chuck Borondong,
Yes.
correct? And Junjun Ubales, correct?
Yes, sir.
You know the wife of Chuck Borondong.
Yes, sir.
What is the name of the wife of Chuck Borondong?
Yvonne, Mr.
Correct.
Chair.
And she is the first nominee. Hindi mo alam? Show it. Yes, police. Yan, tanda mo na. Wait,
Yes,
balik.
Mr. Chair.
O, tanda mo na yung STL Foundation that was created precisely to put the money of PCSO on that foundation and then directly benefited STL party list. Will you confirm it? Yes or no? Pupunta tayo sa malalim.
Opo, yes sir, Mr. Chair.
Okay, go. Next. Para pakita ko lang sa iyo, GM Garma, na yung pagsisinungaling, pag sinimula mo yan sa una, dire-diretso na yan. And that's the reason why when we have asked you to be truthful, we give you the chance. But you never grab it. And that's the reason why we told you during that time, hahanapin namin ebidensya. At ang ebidensya, as a matter of fact, hindi namin hinanap. Lumapit ang ebidensya. Balik mo sa dati. Yan. Gusto mo basahin ko? Hindi. Ito si Ibon. Ibon Barandog, yan yung nakakulay green, na asawa ni Colonel Barandog. Colonel Barandog, is Ibon your wife? Asa si Colonel Barandog?
Good morning, Mr. Chair.
Is Ibon Barandog your wife?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes. And she is the first nominee of the STL party list. Am I correct?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Correct. Sige, balik natin. So, si Colonel Barandog, who was assigned, na detailed siya kay GM Garma, they created an STL party list. At yung kinreate po nilang STL party list. And they also created the STL Foundation. Balik natin. Para mapakita natin that 2 million was donated. And I'll be asking PCSO, humanda na kayo, PCSO, tell us how much was donated for this STL Foundation. Ang STL party list facilitated through the STL Foundation, through the first nominee, Maria Ibon Kanya Barandog. Wait. A check from the Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office worth 2 million pesos was turned over to Mandaue City Mayor Jonas Cortez. The 2 million is PCSO's calamity assistance to help Mandaue's recovery efforts. Now, it goes through the foundation. Di ba? Sunod. Next. Namigay kayo ng bahay. Yes. Ang party list na pinangungunahan ni Maria Ibon Kanya Barandog at ng kanyang pinsan na si Hector Marsan, first cousin niya, nag-turn over sila under the advocacy program nila, Bahay Mo Puso Ko, sa Barangay Malubog, Cebu City. Will you confirm this? That you donated through the STL party list? Yan yung bahay.
Ano ba dinonate?
Yes or no?
I cannot recall anymore, Mr.
Okay,
Chair,
hindi mo
but
ma-recall.
if there are documents, I may be able to confirm it, but
Okay.
I cannot remember.
We will be inviting the president of the STL Foundation, who is the wife of Colonel Barandog. Barandog. We invited her. Is she around? Your wife? Is she here?
Mr. Chair, we did not receive the invitation.
Okay.
It was only me.
Sige, we will be inviting over. Anong trabaho po ng asawa nyo, Colonel Barandog?
For now, Mr. Chair, a little business entrepreneur, Mr. Chair.
Anong business?
Beauty industry, Mr. Chair.
Can she afford to give houses? Kasi hindi lang isang houses tong nakita ko eh. 5 bahay ata yung pinamigay eh. And I will be showing it. Can she afford to give houses?
Mr. Chair, it was a non-government organization who donated that house, Mr. Chair.
Anong non-government organization na nagbigay ng pondo para sa pabahay? Can you kindly tell us?
Hindi ko... I will recall, Mr. Chair.
Or what NGO are listed in your foundation? So we'll be asking for the list of the donors of that STL Foundation. We will go to that. So sinabi mo that NGO ang namigay ng pabahay. At yan, nakalista yan sa STL Foundation. I'm sure of it.
Mr. Chair, I will...
Speak louder, please.
Mr. Chair, I will retract my statement.
You will retract.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Why? Because you're under oath. O sino, kanino nang galing? Yung pagpapagawa, kanino nang galing pagpapagawa ng bahay na pinamigay ni Ibon na iyong asawa at pinsan ni General GM Garma?
Mr. Chair, it was, again, Mr. Chair, it was not, I will correct my former statement, Mr. Chair. It was not an NGO per se, Mr. Chair. It was a group of business organizations.
Who are those businessmen who donated houses?
Mr. Chair, I will recall it, Mr. Chair. But they were the one who constructed the house.
Please submit all those businessmen who donated those houses, no? Please,
Yes, Mr. Chair.
you tell your wife to be here in the next hearing. Sige, pakita na natin yung susunod na bahay na dinonate nila.
Mr. Chair, with the permission of Congressman Dan,
Okay, Congressman Suarez.
maybe si Colonel Borondong is in touch with his wife. Baka pwede niyang tawagan ngayon at malaman kagad natin yung mga detalye, Chairman, Congressman Dan, para may relay na kagad dito yung mga hinihingi mong mga sources of donations. Because I'm a little bit concerned kasi kanina binanggit po ni Colonel NGOs. Tapos niretract niya, sinabi niya naman businessmen. So maybe Colonel, you have your cell phone with you, no? Do you have your cell phone with you?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Do you have it?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Baka pwede mo lang i-text yung misis mo at malaman natin, ha? At may report ko na sa committee ngayong araw na ito. Thank you very much.
Okay, pakita naman natin yung second house that was given by the STL Foundation and the STL Party List. Yan po ay sa Barangay Sudlon, Cebu City. Can you kindly show it? Yan po yung second house na binigay kay Victoriano B. Baguio. At yung pangatlo, sige. Isa naman sa Sitio Mambao, Barangay Pamutan, Cebu City. Pangatlong bahay na pinamigay. And then, meron pa pong isa, yung bahay susunod. Pero, pakita na natin yung ano. GM Garma, you remember when I asked you about doon sa lupa na meron ka sa Santa Maria, Laguna? Sabi ko sa iyo, I will be trying to locate.
Wala po akong lupa, Mr.
Yes,
Chair.
oo. But do you remember also that your STL party list conducted pakita mo nga yun sa Santa Maria, Laguna. Yes. Your STL party list, Samahan ng Totoong Larong May Puso, through your first cousin, Edward Howard Marsan, second nominee of STL party list, spearheaded the staging of STL Basketball League in Barangay Parang ng Buho, Santa Maria, Town, Laguna. Wherein, area ko po to eh. And basically, we're still waiting for all the documents that will be given to us to establish your ownership of that property. Anyway, Mr. Chair, I'll be asking si Commissioner Leonardo, kilala mo to?
Page,
Yes,
can you please-
Can you kindly give this to Colonel Commissioner Leonardo? Kilala mo?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Sino to?
Sergeant Jeremy kausapin, Mr. Chair.
Si
with the
Jeremy
CIDG.
Tox.
Mr.
Kausapin,
Chair.
correct?
Kausapin, yes, sir.
So kilala mo siya?
Yes, sir. CIDG po siya.
Okay, buti naman. At medyo hindi ka na nagsinungaling ngayon. Kilala mo to, GM Garma? Si Tox.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yes, naka-assign to.
Yes, sir.
At hanggang ngayon, nasa PCSO to.
That I do not know, Mr.
Yeah, hindi mo na
Chair.
alam.
Hindi ko po.
Yes, okay. Mamaya malalaman mo. Anyway, so,
Chairman Fernandez.
tapos na po to.
Okay, thank you.
Si Colonel Bilela.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Colonel Bilela, are you the owner of Noy Pitts Bar?
Part owner of the one of the Noy Pits,
Yes.
Noy Pits, Mr. Chair.
And you know that being a part of the Noy Pitts Bar will entail millions of dollars.
No, Mr. Chair.
How much is your participation on those Noy Pitts Bar, who is so popular in Las Vegas, in LA, in California?
Just in Las Vegas, Your Honor.
Huh?
20% in Las Vegas.
20%. And how much is the 20% that you shared?
200,000, Your Honor.
200,000 what? Dollars?
Dollars, Your Honor.
Wow. And where did you get the money of the $200,000?
From my salary in as a police attaché, Your Honor, and my savings, Your Honor.
So, naging police attaché ka sa Washington.
No, Your Honor.
Saan ka naging police attaché?
In the U.S. West Coast, Your Honor.
Okay, did you put that $200,000 in your SALN?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you kindly submit your SALN to us?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so those Noy Pitts Bar, no? That was established during what year mo to nabili, yung part mo?
2021, Your Honor, nung second year ko doon sa US, Your Honor. Hindi ko po nabili. Meron pong nagtayo po at mga kasamahan ko po, bali 3 po kami. Hati-hati ho kami.
At kayo, Colonel Bilela, dati kayong mag-asawa ni GM Garma.
Technically po, Your Honor, hindi po.
Ano no?
Technically po, Your Honor, kasi ang sabi po ng court, declaration of nullity of marriage kasi yung sa amin. So sabi ng court, there is no marriage to speak of.
Void ab initio.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. But still, you are in contact with her. May anak ba kayo ni GM Garma? If I may, I'm sorry kung na-touch ko yan. Meron kayo anak?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anak mo si
Angelica, Your Honor.
Angelica.
She was our adopted, Your Honor.
Adopted?
Legally po.
Okay, adopted pala siya. Okay. Anyway, how many branches do you have? O yung buong 7 ba yan? 5 store?
Magwawalo po, Your Honor, pero isa lang ho ako nag-invest. Doon lang po sa Las Vegas.
Yes, because I asked my friends in the States, and putting up a business like this will entail you millions of dollars. Malaki malaki yung Pinoy bar, yung Noy Pits Bar, and this Noy Pits Bar is a well-established na chain of restaurant. And that's the reason why medyo nagugulat lang kami that you were able to be a part, 20%, no? So maybe soon, Mr. Chairman, we'll be trying to find out yung pag-apply din po nila doon sa SEC sa United States about those incorporators. But for the meantime, Mr. Chairman, lastly, may driver ka ba na pangalan Dennis Manalo?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Taga Pangasinan?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Yes, may resort ka? Colonel Villela?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala, okay, sige, wala. Wala kang condominium sa Amaya, condominium sa may Quezon City?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Wala kayo, ha? And even GM Garma, wala rin sa Amaya, condominium?
Hindi ko po alam, Your Honor.
Hindi mo alam. GM, meron kang condominium sa Amaya?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Ayun. Ko lang naman meron ka pala dun. So si...
if I may, Congressman Fernandez.
Sige.
Para lang GM Garma, magkano ba sweldo ng GM ng PCSO?
Yung salary lang po, parang salary grade 29, umabot po ata na, parang 300 noon. And then when I left, it's almost 400. Hindi pa po kasama yung board meeting allowances and mga draw allowances.
So PCSO General Manager earns roughly around, anong ballpark
I cannot
figure
recall.
buwan-buwan?
Mga more than 300 siguro or
So
ganun
mga
po.
300,000?
Parang
Bakit
hindi ko na.
bakit-
And dung later part, parang there's an increase. It's quite high, Mr.
Hindi,
Chair.
but I was asking you kung ano yung salary grade nung ikaw ang GM.
29, I think.
Okay,
parang
salary grade
29.
29. And it seems na sa salary grade 29, parang ang dami mo masyadong properties. Meron ka ba ibang negosyo?
Meron pong farming yung father ko po. Ako po
Ano yung
naghahandle.
pina-farm nyo doon?
May mango and sa bukid po. And when my mother
mango
died,
farm.
yeah, and when my mother died, ako po naghandle sa lahat ng tatay ko sa mother ko sa mga savings po nila and assets po.
So malaking ektarya siguro yan. Ilang ektarya yan?
Hindi naman po, Mr. Chair, tama lang. Ang bulk lang kasi ng nakuha namin is yung naipon ng mother kong jewelry because since I was 7 years old, hanggang college ko po, nasa ibang bansa na po yan. So medyo substantial po yung naipon.
If I may ask, are you married to Colonel Villela? Are you married to him?
We got married, yes, Mr.
And then
Chair.
legally separated kayo?
No, Mr. Chair, it's annulled po.
So, are you aware that he's getting $200,000 as his salary as the attaché? Alam mo ba yon?
100,000.
Nung nagkahiwalay ba kayo, naghatian kayo ng properties?
Wala po kaming hatian ng properties, hindi namin ni-resolve.
Pero meron kayo napundar na properties? nung
Meron
kayo
din po,
nagsasama?
Mr. Chair,
Ano-ano
yes.
yung mga yan?
May bahay, may lupa, and then there's savings, Mr. Chair, kasi po our marriage was 2008 and I think he also works sa America during that time. So may mga naipon po substantial amount, Mr. Chair.
Okay, sige, salamat. Colonel Villela,
Yes, Your Honor.
where were you assigned?
Currently, Your Honor, I am the Deputy Director for Information Technology Management Service, Your Honor.
And what was your assignment where you said that you earned $200,000?
Accumulation po yun, Your Honor, when I was the police attaché.
Ilang taon yon?
3 po, Your Honor.
Sa 3 taon, you were able to accumulate $200,000?
No, Your Honor.
Oh,
Apart, Your Honor.
anong apart?
Yung pong investment ko po doon, yung kalahati noon, naipon ko po doon. Yung kalahati din po.
No. Kanina tinatanong ka. Sinabi mo, tinanong ka ni Chairman Dan meron kang $200,000 ka mo. And you said, na this was a salary that you were able to get when you were assigned in Cyprus. Were you assigned in Cyprus?
No, Your Honor.
Yung sinasabi mo kanina, in diplomatic,
In the United States, Your Honor.
so sa US, and you earned that much, $200,000.
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Oh, eh, ano yung saan ang galing
Kalahati
yung
po noon, Your Honor.
So $100,000.
I am, our salary there, Your Honor, allowances.
Hindi nga yan.
8,000, Your
Alam
Honor,
mo,
per
Colonel,
month. 8,000 per month.
Ulitin ko yung tinanong ni Chairman Dan, ha? Sabi niya, meron kang $200,000, di ba? Is that correct?
Hindi po ang ganyan ang pagkasabi niya, Your Honor.
O sige, sabihin mo sa akin kung ano yung sinabi niya. Sige, sabihin mo sa akin.
Kung magkano po yung aking binayad doon sa aking share na 20%, Your Honor.
Hindi yun, ikaw naman. Gusto mo, Secretariat, can we get the records, the transcript during that time when he answered that question, ha? Colonel,
Yes, sir.
makinig ka, ha? Ang tanong sa iyo kanina, sinabi mo, meron kang $200,000 because you earned that where? Yun ang tanong ko.
Opo, Your Honor.
Oh, ngayon naman, opo ka na. Meron totoong $200,000.
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay. Saan mo nakuha yung $200,000?
Yung kalahati po noon, Your Honor,
Oh.
sahod ko po na accumulated as police attaché.
Okay, as
May-
police attaché, $100,000. Kalahati, kamo, di ba?
Opo, Your Honor.
So, how much are you getting every month as a police attaché?
$8,000, Your Honor.
So, accumulation itong $100,000.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ilang years ka na-assign?
3 po, Your Honor.
So, sa 3 taon, naka-accumulate ka ng $100,000.
Opo, Your Honor.
O, eh yung $100,000 na extra.
Sa mga negosyo ko po dito, Your Honor.
So, lahat ito, in-accumulate mo in a span of 3 years.
Hindi po, Your Honor. For my,
Gulo mo kausap eh. Alam mo, ang gulo mo kausap eh. $200,000 lang pinag-uusapan natin. Huwag ka na lumayo doon. Eh, kaya nga ang tanong, saan galing yung $200,000? Sinabi mo, kalahati noon galing sa sweldo mo as police attaché because you're earning $8,000 per month. Sabi mo ha?
yes, Your Honor.
Kasi i-accumulate mo yung 3 years mo as police attaché, ang ibig sabihin nun, kinita mo yung $100,000, hindi ka gumastos?
Gumastos po, Your
O
Honor.
kita mo, ang labo nung sagot mo. Pakiayos ka, I just want to get the transcript ha. Babalikan kita mamaya, Colonel. Sige,
Chairman,
sige.
Chairman, follow up lang ako dun sa mga years. Confidential short lang. Colonel, will the chair allow me? With the indulgence of
With the
Chairman
indulgence of
Dan.
Congressman Fernandez.
Ganito po, kailan ka ba na-assign dun sa US?
2020 po, Your Honor.
2020 month. Anong buwan? Anong buwan?
August po, Your Honor.
August, so half of 2020. Now, when was the Noy Pitch was established? Las Vegas.
2021, Your Honor.
2021. Of what month?
Nag-start po, Your Honor, December.
December. Oh, December 2021. In short, from 2020 to 2021, yun lang na accumulate mo in the 3 years of your salary and your allowances. Eto ha. Oh, ba't tumatras ka? Tinatanong kita. Do you confirm? Kasi yung data mo is 2020 August, tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
O you were signed now. Yung Noy Page was established December of 2021. So ilang buwan lang yun.
Yes,
Tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
O bakit sinasabi mong half? Half of your salary.
I will submit the...
Ito yung lying. Huwag kang magsinungaling, Colonel. Akala mo dito yung mga tao dito, yung committee bobo, na hindi pwedeng isa-isahin? You have said on record, when you asked by Chairman Barbers, that half of the $200,000 came from your salary. And your salary, 2020 August, you started there being assigned, and 2021, hindi ko pa sinasabi yung expense mo. Yung expenses mo. Paano magiging half of that? How can you earn 100,000 a month for just 1 year or less? You're lying.
Mahigit po, Your Honor.
Ano mahigit? Sige nga, kwintahin mo nga. Alam mo, yung 3 years mo, kung tama yung sinasabi mo, that's only 288,000.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh, I bet you started August 2020 and December 2021, saka kayo bumukas. O yung expense mo lahat-lahat. O who are those ano? Ito, Colonel, marami pa kami tatanong sa iyo. If in the next topic, pag nagsinungaling ka, baka mapakontem ka.
I'm very willing, Your Honor.
Oh, you're very willing. Okay. Now, sino yung mga incorporators?
Mga...
Sino mga?
Ray Perez po, Your Honor.
Sorry?
Ray Perez and...
Sino nga?
Lauro
Sino nga?
Calonzo. Ray Perez and Lauro Calonzo po, Your Honor.
Filipino.
Filipino-Americans, Your Honor.
Oh, saan address?
Doon po sila based, Your Honor.
O nga, saan nga doon?
Sa California po, Your Honor.
California. Saan sa California?
In
In where?
Los Angeles, Your Honor.
Saan nga?
Los Angeles po, Your Honor.
Oh, Los Angeles. Now, how did you know these people?
They were my brothers, paternity brothers, Your Honor.
Fraternity brothers.
Yes, Your
O,
Honor.
anong trabaho ng dalawa? Doon.
Restaurateur po si Mr. Calonzo, Larry Calonzo, Your Honor.
O, yung Noy Pits, di ba?
Matagal na po yan, Your Honor. 2013 yan nag-umpisa.
2013, pumasok ka lang 2020.
Opo.
2021, December.
Opo, nung mag-open ho sa
Sa Las Vegas.
Opo.
Oh, please. Ito Mr. Chairman, I move for Colonel Villela to submit his SALN in the year 2019 up to 2022, Mr. Chairman. When was the last year you were assigned in the US?
Last year, Your Honor.
When was that?
2023,
2023,
September po ako na uwi, Your Honor, dito.
2023 September.
Yes, Your Honor.
Also, you submit in this committee your SALN from 2019 to 2023.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Chairman, point of inquiry.
What is the inquiry?
Regarding dun sa $8,000 na natatanggap ni Colonel Villena, is this taxable in the US? How is the money received?
Yeah, I believe so, Your Honor, that is a taxable, if that is the gross amount of the salary that
Yung
is
ba
getting.
yung buong amount o yun yung take home mo, Colonel?
Buong amount yun, Your Honor, dito po inaano yon, binibigay sa amin. Pinapadala po doon, plus yung sahod ko po as a Colonel, Your Honor.
So
Hindi pa
taxable
kasama.
yung $8,000?
Dito po, Your Honor, hindi po.
Hindi. So dito kasabay ng sweldo mo, pinadadala buo. Ganun.
Yes, Your Honor. Nandito po sa land bank po. Dito po
Okay.
pinapapasok.
Thank you very much. I just wanted to get clarified on that. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman.
Mr. Chair.
Please proceed.
Okay,
we have,
matapos na ako. Okay.
Please wrap it up.
Colonel Villela, were you a former finance officer ng PNP as controller ng PD sa Iloilo?
No, Your Honor. I am the Provincial Director of Iloilo, Your Honor.
Hindi ka naging finance officer?
Never I was assigned in finance, Your Honor.
You were assigned?
No.
Never. Okay. Mahilig ka rin sa mga Rolex? May Rolex ka?
Meron po, Your Honor.
Ilan ang Rolex mo?
Isa lang po, regalo po sa akin, Your Honor.
Isa lang. Sino nagregalo sa'yo?
My wife po, Your Honor.
Yung wife mo ngayon. Okay. Kailan natin nabili to? Nung panahon na tayo nasa police attaché?
Opo, Your Honor.
Okay, so basically, nabawas yung... anyway, meron ba kayong property sa Samal?
Ako po, Your Honor, may lote po ako doon.
Meron ka sa Samal?
Dati po akong chief of police doon.
Sige, gaano kalaki yung property mo doon?
500 square meters.
500 square meter?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kailan mo siya binili?
2014 ata, Your Honor. I cannot recall, Your Honor.
Okay. GM Garma, meron ka bang property sa Samal?
Meron po, Mr.
Meron ka
Chair.
din. Magkalapit kayo, correct?
Hindi ko po alam, Mr. Chair.
Ilang square meter ang lupa mo sa Samal?
Parang 700, Mr. Chair.
700. Lot, Griar, may lupa ka sa Samal?
Wala po, Your Honor.
Sure ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wala?
Wala po.
Sige. Commissioner Leonardo, meron kang lupa sa Samal?
Wala po, Mr. Chair.
Ikaw naging USEC ng DNR, di ba?
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
And that property in Samal was a protected area. Am I correct? Protected area yun, hindi mo alam? Sa Samal?
I think there are some areas
Correct.
that are protected.
Yes,
Mr. Chair.
and that's the reason why these people were able to get property there because of you being the USEC of the DNR before.
That's not true.
Of course, you will not deny. You will deny it. I know naman yan. Anyway. Hindi. Hindi. Are you adhering to my query that this is a protected area and that's the reason why during the time of your incumbency as a USEC of the DNR, you were able to scatter those properties to your friends. Am I correct?
That's not
Yeah,
true, Mr. Chair.
I know that he denied it. Of
And
course.
I'm not even sure if that is a protected area, Mr. Chair.
For your information, that is a protected area. Part of it is a protected area, and it was converted. That's why they were able to have a property from that place. Dati akong committee chairman ng ecology, and I know that. Anyway, so Mr. Chairman, for the meantime, lastly, Mr. Chairman, sa PCSO, ito na. PCSO, who is handling those money that are being given by the PCSO to certain foundations, like the STL Foundation? Sino? Anong department ninyo? Sa PCSO, ma'am, please.
I believe it's the Accounting and Budget Department.
The
Accounting and Budget Department.
accounting. Who is the accounting budget officer? Ano
She's
name?
here.
Sige ma'am, please. Yes, please answer.
Yeah, good morning po.
About doon po sa pera ng PCSO na dinala sa foundation ng STL that was given to Mandawi through the STL party list.
Per our records po, meron po kaming binigay sa Mandawi City in the amount of 2 million para po doon sa typhoon victim ng
Yes.
Odette.
Yeah, at ang nagdala ay si STL party list Ibon Barondog.
Wala po akong alam kung sino
Hindi
po
nga,
nagdala.
can you kindly tell us, can you kindly submit to us all the money that was transferred from PCSO to the STL Foundation? Can you do that?
Titingnan ko po sa record namin.
Tingnan nyo sa record,
Yes,
no?
and I will submit po.
Okay, submit to us a certified copy of that transfer of money, to the STL Foundation.
Yes po.
Okay?
Your Honor.
So we'll be